Okay, this is Nano, and I'm with
Maya and my Sparkle.
and Sparkle, and we're with
A GrayBoxx technology.
okay, and we are going to
Build a robot.
okay. So we're with Northwestern Community Center, along with the Pine Hills Boys and Girls Clubs and Smart Academy, and we're into STEM. So Maya's going to help me to do session 2 of building our robot. So there's a robot we're building. We already did 1, and we're going to do 2. So we're going to do 2. Yep. Yeah, we did number 1. We're going to need 2 yellow screws, 2 white wheels,
Nano. 2 what?
and 2 orange wheels.
2 what? What did you say?
2 white wheels, 2 orange wheels.
2 white wheels. And orange wheels.
Okay,
and
we're gonna put
white
everything else back because then we're gonna need the one. That's all we need for this for number 2. Okay, so ready?
These 2?
Nope. Put everything back in the bag. We always put the parts we don't need back in the bag so nothing gets lost or lost. It's not going to get loosed. It's going to nothing get lost. And we're going to seal the bag back up. Okay. And we're going to seal it up nice and tight. Okay. And we're going to set it aside. And now we're going to take, and for each wheel, we're going to take it and make it like that. We're going to put that's called the axle or the hubcap. And we're going to put we're going to screw, that just snaps in. That snaps in. The yellow one snaps in. Okay, and then now put the wheel cover on there. Okay, show it. So lay that down and show it. Lay it down. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing with the other one. And we are then finished with this video. This is a short one. This is probably the easiest one we're going to do.
Okay. And I take a few.
It's okay. Take your time. Okay, that's the one she's already done. Okay, she's.
And like I said in the first video, you can do this at home. You can buy it from Amazon. Tell mom and dad. And if you don't have it, if mom and dad says no, then you can just play along or just watch.
Okay.
Or draw something.
Very
that
good,
we're
Maya.
gonna do, or how it looks like we're gonna do.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, you getting it?
I'm almost there.
Okay, almost there.
But if you have this already and you're doing our 2-step, you don't have to do it quick. Since you see that I'm taking all my time. Okay.
You're going to take all the time to make sure it's perfect.
Sometimes when you mess
Okay,
up.
so this is what we want. You want build and play, and you want the one that has the construction set on it. Okay, and we have 2 of them. Okay, you finished that one yet?
No.
Okay, you want me to get it?
Yes, please.
Okay, all right. So you let's see. Oh, there we go. You finished.
Oh, I couldn't get it on. No, because
Okay.
the bottom. See the bottom.
Okay.
Look at this one.
Here you go. Okay, there we go. Okay, so this one's done. Again, I'll do that one in a second. So this one's done. Okay, give me. Oh, okay, you got that one? You still working on it?
Nope, I can't do it.
Okay, all right.
So where are we gonna put those at?
Okay, so we need the bag that has the. We need the bag that has.